Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a lovely apple bread. Let's go over the dry ingredients. In this bowl I've got 3 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. I've also got 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon right in here. Now our wet ingredients obviously are going to be the eggs and the oil. I've got 3 eggs in here and 1 cup of vegetable oil. Over here I've got 3.5 cups of grated apple, and I've got 2 lovely colours there. I've got the nice green from the Golden Delicious and I've got a nice red apple there too. Now I've grated them with the skins on, and I'm also using 1.25 cups of sugar, caster sugar. Okay, so I'm just going to toss my apples into the bowl. I'm going to add my wet ingredients, my oil and my eggs, and then I'm going to sieve my flour and my bicarb and everything together, so I'll just toss it in here. I'm going to sieve this, get a bit of air into that, into our ingredients. Just do half first. See, it's coming together quite nicely. Add the rest of the flour. I'm going to spray the tins with a little bit of cooking oil so they don't stick. It is 21.7 by 12.2 by 5.2 high. Okay, just like a loaf pan tin. That's a good idea to measure these when you're doing it, so that they all bake at the same consistency. There you go. So get 3 trays out of this, 560 grams each. These are going to go into the oven at 175 degrees on fan-forced oven. That's Celsius, or 347 degrees Fahrenheit, for 35 to 40 minutes. They'll come out of the oven now. Just insert toothpick or something that you can go right to the center of the cake. Comes out nice and clean. You can use. I'm using my probe here. They smell absolutely beautiful. Just let them cool down a little bit before you remove them from the tin, and then we can have a taste. Well, deliciously spicy with that cinnamon through there. It smells absolutely amazing, and it's a nice soft bread, perfect with some butter and a nice cup of tea. Well, thanks for watching once again. Don't forget to slap a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way I will update you on every new video. Take care, have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time.